Hello, I'm Jason Ortega, and is today video I will tell you a little bit about the different rituals that exist in the world that because of the evolution of the world have been lots each one is understood according to the region, culture, and custom. Africa. In the objective, children are cursed by mystical beds for this reason after begin circumcise the boys. And also the girls participate in the rituals that consist of painting their whole body with mud and trying to be one with the beds. When the children can roar like the beds, they are considered to have broken the course and become adults. In many parts of Central and South America, girls celebrate their 15th birthdays. Party, the tradition of page in adults usually begins with a Catholic mass in which the girl renews her baptismal vows. She is the invited to dance with the men in her family at the celebration. There is also a banquet for all the guests. This night marked before and after in the life of the guest. Her transition from girl to woman. Israel. Bat Mizbat. Translate to son daughters of the commandments. Therefore, it means that the young person becomes responsible for keeping the commandments of the Torah. The purpose of these commandments is to keep his or her life focused on family. The bar mitzvah is for boys. This is done of the age for 30 for girls is Bat Mitzvah and is celebrated at the age of 12 because girls mature early. Kenya. The Maasai are a strong people. Some of the boys turn 15. They under an intense ceremony to celebrate their adulthood. The boys who do not cry when they are circumcised and go to hunt bears to decorate their hairs with their feathers, their first symbol of warrior. His transition from boy to man is as crude as that. He will be exempted from housework and he'll live in his own hut, listening to his father's advance instead of his grandmother's stories. USA Sweet System. Traditional the 16 birthdays in Northerners an import celebration for American young as it using in the age at which they can get a driver's license. In the case of some lucky teenagers, the celebration included an excessive party and after a new car of the gift. Papua New Guinea. The Kaningar people attach great importance to the reptiles that inhabit the Seping River. The ritual is painful and bloody. It consists of the having a male members of their clans cut all over their bodies. They must leave scars that match the patterns of the reptiles' scars. In this way, they wish to demonstrate in front of the community the courage and strength they have to become a real man. The symbol may also reference to the spirit of the animal consuming the young of the sheep and replacing it with a mature. Japan. In Japan, the second Monday is January is a special day, the day when young men and women in their 20s can dress up in their finest traditional. Uh, a trend ceremony at the local town hall, receive gifts and celebrate to their heart's content among friends and family. It is the coming of age festival, also known as Sejin no Hai. The tradition began nearly 1,200 years ago in celebration. Young people become mature, contribute members of society. It is also the time when they can devote. Thank you.